Hi guys, welcome back here to Drone Emotion, a channel where we do drone videos and where we cover the most relevant drone news. Today we're back here, my friends, with a brand new video, and today we're going to be sharing with you the best long-range drones of 2021 and also the cheapest long-range drone of 2021. So if you're interested in knowing which drones have the longest range, well, you have come to the right place. Right here we're going to be sharing with you all of that info. But before we get started, if you're new to the channel, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, join the Drone Emotion family, because in this channel we will be the first ones to cover the most relevant drone news, the tutorials, and also if you want to participate in our next giveaway, make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you can be eligible to participate in the giveaway, my friends. So with that being said, my friends, let's go ahead and dive right into today's video, which is a very exciting one. The best long-range drones of 2021. Is it the Mavic Air 1? Is it the Mavic Air 2? Or is it any other drone? Well, today we're going to cover all of that info. So to get started with, the first thing we need to address is the different transmission systems that there exist. Okay, so the first one that was most known was the Wi-Fi transmission signal, which was first introduced with the Spark and also with the Mavic Air 1. Unfortunately, this is not the best transmission system, okay? So we're not even going to cover those drones because the transmission in those drones is really not the best. Now, which is the best transmission system you can get today? Well, we also have Lightbridge, which was introduced with the Phantom 4, and it's also used on the Inspire 2, which is going to give us up to 5 kilometers of range. Now, the newest one and the latest one from DJI is OcuSync 2.0, which is really the best one. It's going to give us up to 10 kilometers of range. Now, which are the best and the best long-range drones of 2021? Well, one other important thing that we need to consider when you're looking into long-range drones is flight time, because remember, the longer the flight time, the more distance you can cover, because there's really not any importance if you have a drone that's capable of going up to 10 miles, but it has a 15-minute flight time. There's no way you're going to be able to cover a long distance. So flight time is really important in this scenario. So we're gonna get started with the best long-range drones of 2021. But before we get started, I just want to mention that flying your drone this far is not legal, I think, in most countries. Remember, at least in the United States, you need to keep your drone within line of sight. So does that mean you're going to be sending your drone 6 miles out? No, but what this means is that these drones will provide you with the most strong signal and will allow you to get no choppy signal whatsoever. So that's very important when you're looking into buying a drone, to get a drone that has a really powerful signal, so whenever you're flying in a Wi-Fi congested areas, you don't get any kind of choppy signal when you're like flying 100 meters out. It's something that actually happens with the Mavic Air 1. I was flying the other day at 200 meters. I could see the drone perfectly with my eyes. I was here in Mexico, but Mexico is a really Wi-Fi congested area, and the Mavic Air 1 really didn't perform the best. So with that being said, let's go ahead and start the list with the first one that we have, which is top 7. In the 7th place, we have the DJI Inspire 2 right here on screen. There we have it, with an exceptional distance of up to 5 kilometers. That's right, my friends. That are 2 features, my friends. Now, which one do we have in 6th place? Well, in 6th place we have the Phantom 4 Pro 2.0, my friends. That's right, which range of up to 10 kilometers right here on screen. This is a really good option, but unfortunately it doesn't have the longest flight time, so you're not going to be able to cover a really long distance. Okay, now which other drone do we have? Well, we have next place the Mavic 2 Pro and the Mavic 2 Zoom right here on screen, with a flight distance of up to 8 kilometers. Okay, this is somewhere around 5.66 miles. Okay, this is a really good drone, but keep in mind that this drone is almost 3 years old. Okay, so this is really good technology for a drone that's almost 3 years old. Okay, so OcuSync 2.0 on the Mavic 2 Pro and the Mavic 2 Zoom. This drone will give you a phenomenal long range experience. Which drone do we have next? Well, we have the Autel Evo 2, my friends. That is right here on the screen. There we have it, my friends, the Autel Evo 2 with a flight time with a range of up to 9 kilometers, my friends. Okay, so 9 kilometers in FCC and 5 kilometers in CE. Okay, and keep in mind that this drone has the longest flight time out of them all. This has a top flight time of 40 minutes, my friends. That's right. So this drone is going to be, in my opinion, the one that's going to allow you to cover the most distance, just because it gives you those extra 10 minutes of flight time that the Mavic 2 Pro doesn't offer. Okay, but keep in mind that the Mavic 2 Pro and the Autel Evo 2 are pretty expensive, in coming at around $1,500. Okay, now we're climbing almost up to the top of the pyramid, and also something very interesting is that the ones that are on the top are also the cheapest drones. Can you believe it? Well, that's right. In second place, my friends, we have the DJI Mavic Air 2. That's right, with a price of $799 and a flight time 34 minutes and also a range of 10 kilometers, which is almost 6 miles. This drone will perform great. This drone, if you get excited to get this drone, you will have no issues flying long range. It's a really good drone. Second place for the Mavic Air 2, not bad at all. I think this is one of the best drones you can buy today. If you're interested in buying one, the link is going to be down below for all the drones that we talk about in today's video. Okay, and which is the cheapest and the longest range drone of 2021? That's on the first place. The first place is taken up by the DJI Mini 2. That's right. With OcuSync 2.0, once again, just as the one that we found on the Mavic Air 2, we get a range of up to 10 kilometers. That's right, my friends. And we get a flight time of 31 minutes. So in my opinion, the Mavic Mini 2 is the best long-range drone that you can buy in 2021 for $449. I think there's nothing out there that can beat that drone. So those are the best long-range drones of 2021 till this date. Could that change in the future? I think it will. And most importantly, I think that the crown is going to be taken by the upcoming DJI Mavic 3. That's right, that's going to be coming out really soon. If you missed our video with the confirmed release, then make sure you check it out. We have it here on the channel, and the Mavic 3 is going to be coming out really soon, and I think that that's going to have the top-notch range. I'm feeling that the Mavic 3 will be coming with OcuSync 3.0. Will that give us a 15 kilometers, which is 10 miles? I think it could, my friends. So just let's wait for DJI to release it, because I think that drone will take the first place very soon. But to this date, Mavic Mini 1 and Mavic Air 2 are the best long-range drones of 2021. If you are looking for the cheapest one, Mini 2 is the way to go. If you want a more robust drone that's going to be able to handle more strong winds, if you want to have that little LED light at the bottom, I think the Mavic Air 2 is the best option today. So those are the best long-range drones of 2021, my friends. It's been a pleasure sharing all of this info with all of you here in today's video. That's all I have for all of you, and see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Drone Emotion, signing out.